Brady Bunch like you and I right now.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Hollywood Squares.
Yep. And so we have this thing where when a method is being overused, it gets uninteresting, and so it doesn't capture the attention of the audience as much as when it first started, when the method is new. So now the learning professionals are searching for other ways to capture the attention and to engage the users in meaningful ways, right? Not just tricking them to listen to you, but really honestly capture the attention. Storytelling has been a big thing, has always been a big thing, but they're bringing it back in terms of ways to engage.